Hello everyone, welcome to second episode of Free CRO Audit Series. In today's episode we have Vitabiotics and we will go through the Vitabiotics store and we will see what we can improve there for better conversions and loyalty of the customers to the store and overall how we can increase the store revenue. As I said in the previous video, we don't know anything about this store, just randomly find it on Google. We will go through it with my experience of 2+ years in this e-commerce industry, Shopify coding, liquid, all that stuff, and hundreds projects successfully completed for the clients and scaling their store. You can check out my website to assure that I have qualifications to talk about this. We will go through this store and we will keep use some best practices or something that I have in mind currently that I think we can easily improve this store with that. So first things that I see here, just to let you guys know, so the CRO audit of the store, it doesn't mean only necessarily we focus on the design of the store and the functionality of the store. Yeah, that's the main part, but that's the 60% of conversion rate optimization, like A/B testing, changing different functionalities, adding more CTAs and all that stuff, like designing stuff. But the conversion rate optimization is also the part that are coming after all this, like website design changes and all of that. Like for example, email marketing. We don't know how this store is handling their email marketing, how their emails look like, how their email is designed. We don't know about the shipping. Is it using like some Chinese boxes or whatnot, or is it keep using purely like English boxes, like how it represent on this site? We have like some insights about the copywriting because we are looking through the store, but also the copywriting is important stuff to get right away for the store. Also product photos and images overall to the store needs to be always full HD and not like pixelated or something like that. So with that in mind, let's go get started and let's see what we can improve here. Vitabiotics. I see the UK's #1 vitamins. How you can say that and I don't see some proof of that? Where is your credibility to say something like that? Why I should trust you at the first place when you say the UK's #1 vitamins? What that means exactly? I don't know. Let's find out what it means. So first things that I will change here is that title right here, and I will change it something like I don't know, I'm not specialist in copyright, but this title needs to be changed or provide with some social proof that I can trust you, that your Vitabiotics store is right for me, like for my vitamins and all that stuff that I'm looking to purchase. So we have in the menu woman, man, kids plus 50. Okay, that's maybe like for women and men older than 50 years, but I don't know, like you don't say anything about that. All products and all that stuff. We have announcement bar. In the announcement bar we only have like some upsell right here, like some downsell, upsell, I don't know how I can call it. 3 for 2 on all products. Like I purchase like 2 products, 3 for 2. Okay, I pay for 2 products but I got 3. Okay, something like that. Like I just got confused right here. Also I will add some other things that in announcement bar, like I said in the previous video. Do they provide me with free shipping? Do I need to pay for the shipping? And yeah, that's pretty much it for the now. What I will change in the announcement bar, just to add that for the shipping thing, if I am going to pay for my shipping or is it free. Do you have like some other upsell on the product or you don't have, like this one, 3 for 2. Let's see what else. In the menu right here, I will change, like I said, the menu. Like I said in the previous videos, I will try to use like images of GIFs of the products for some like collection right here in the menu. And this here is have like a lot of listed like products that they are selling, like vitamin B, C, D, biotin, bilberry, I don't know what else. And basically maybe that's good for the mobile, like to show what they have, like everything in the menu. But for the desktop I will only use a few of the items like listed for the vitamins B, C, D, and like some image up here and shop by nutrient. And when I click shop by nutrient or that image, I got redirected to that collection page, and in that collection page I can filter out by vitamin that I need, because I don't want to bombard them with all that stuff immediately in the header. And yeah, plus 50, I don't know what what that means. Like probably I will change that to something else, like someone else menu. Instead of this all products, I will put the best sellers up here, and then I will only have like women, men, kids, and like for example other like nutrients, vitamins, I don't know, something that like call that this plus 50 menu, what you have right here. Also let me see the search. Okay, search is great. Let me see immediate search. Yeah, the search is great. Maybe I will just only expand that search a little bit more, but it's good for now. We will not change anything. We have right here shop by men, women, and kids. I love that. We can immediately choose what we are going to look for to shop that products. But I don't get this like design. This is gray, this is white, and now we have like the blue buttons for call to action when I hover over them. Like if we are going to keep it simple, we will also want to use like similar design across all the pages. So instead of this gray announcement right here, I will probably put announcement bar color to be like this blue background color what we have on the button right here. So that will be here also. So we know immediately that is like same design with nothing too much changes. Okay, we have FAQs pages on the footer menu, and we have all other things that are needs to be in the footer also. Woman, man, pregnancy, immune. Yeah, there is a lot of things that can be changed also in the footer, but we will keep it how it is for now. Product subscription, reward points, delivery returns. Okay, basically everything is listed to the footer, but I will give it like more space to it, like something what I want to highlight into the footer if there's something there I'm looking for, because I need to go through all of this item to find something that is like needs for me. Like this shop right here, we can put best sellers, like I said in the menu. Basically this shop menu right here will be exactly the same as the header menu, just into the footer, and that's pretty much it. And all other this stuff, maybe I will change it a little bit around, try to remove some items in footer just to keep it. Okay, I don't know why need to verify no one claim, send your query to I don't know why you will need here, but probably I will remove this because it's not any use for the customers to see this. And yeah, like get rid of some items to make footer smaller, and that's pretty much it. So basically first things that I will change here, like I said, that is this title right here, or give it some trust with experience, like for the customers, like show them some stars, show them some trust badges if you are like saying that you are #1 vitamins brand for the UK. Then show me some credibility, so I can trust you that you are number one with vitamins brand, and not just saying that you are number one vitamins brand and what that simply means for me. So basically I will add some stars or trust badges like under this title right here, and when I click on it, like I can see that it will show me some pop-up with reviews or something like that. Let's scroll down. Our brand, every age, every lifestyle, we help everyone be their best. Okay, our brands, I will probably change this, like I said in the previous video. Most of the time you want to put immediately after they started scrolling, you most likely to put your bestsellers products right here, and I will do exactly the same right here. So 3 or 4 bestseller products, like with CTA, add to cart or subscribe to the product or something like that. View the details for that product. Some CTA, but needs to be your bestseller products on your website that you have. After that you can say something about your brand, like supplements you can trust, and that's good to have, like some trusted blogs that you're like try to provide some value to the customers, why I should trust them. Potentially something will change here, and instead of this, like after this block right here, it will be some customer testimonials, some customer reviews of your product. This right here, shop by need, it's not like too much helpful right here. That will probably under the bestseller products, but it will be smaller section with some circles like I showed in the previous videos, how that can look like. Let me show it again. This is also one of my clients that I worked with, and we improved this site, like we are upgrading the whole Dawn team, and they having something like this. And let me show it how it looks like on the mobile. Like these circles right here, I will simply use it right here, like to be smaller, not to use too much space, and I will put it under that bestseller products, and under this like section right here I will then put it some customer testimonials, some customer reviews, that the customers can really see that someone else is using that product and they can trust, they give the trust and boost into their store, like. And after that customer testimonials, we will have these supplements you can trust. Or bestsellers. Okay, you have the bestsellers, but like I said, it will not look something like this. This section will be completely removed, and your bestsellers will be right here with some 3 or 4 products of your bestsellers. We don't want them to show more. And if you have like this multivitamin single nutrients, you will show it, but it will only show 3 or 4 bestseller products and not all of this, because I don't trust you that you are having like too much your best-selling products right here. I don't trust that this is all of your best-selling products, but it is, that then it's great. Like I said, I don't know any like information behind of this store. What is their like average order value? What is their lifetime customer cycle? I don't know anything about that. I'm just clearly speaking from my experience and mind and some best practices for the CRO. And pick of the month, packed with veritable. Okay, I don't understand this section, so maybe some customers will understand it, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't have like any heat maps or something like that in your site, so probably I will remove this section. Like I said, there will be bestsellers right here, this shop by need, but it will be slightly smaller, not to use too much space. Then after that, supplements you can trust, and these 2 sections will be removed. And meet our ambassadors, that's like good to have, but also we don't want to like give it too much like space in your website. So we want the customers to browse for your products and make the purchase, and we want to draw their attention through all of these sections. They can click on it, they can go to some pages, they can like do all the stuff, and probably they will get annoyed and go to the next tab. So we don't want to drag the customer attention around. We just want to make them simple much as possible and fast as much as possible, so they can go find the product they are looking for, they can add to the cart, maybe they will choose a subscription, they can purchase your products and move on. And we don't want to drag them like the customer attention too much around. So basically I will put this section right here somewhere in the footer, and also to have like some before this section, some like this height, like something smaller for the new newsletters or for the email marketing, like you have in the footer. And yeah, I will put something like that here, and this section will be smaller, and these two sections will be removed. This like customer reviews, it's only like with the text, and this text can be also be faked, and it can be imported through AliExpress and all that stuff, like we see most of the drop shipping stores do. And now in 2023, now almost 2024, UGC content is everything in the e-commerce world. Most of the buyers looking for the trust and experience from other customers, and you can use some sites that can help you to create that UGC content that I have short about in my YouTube channel. You can check it out. And yeah, basically if you need really to use this like Trustpilot and all that stuff, I will use it. But yeah, I will have like some dose of like not fully trusting into this. Like we can go to your Trustpilot, we can go around, but yeah, I don't want to go too much into it. But yeah, it's good to have your Trustpilot. Trustpilot is, yeah, like a name said, trusted site for the reviews. But like I said, this section will be removed. Okay, we can leave this section right here, but we will have also one more section with customer like images and videos like of your products. Like if I go to your Instagram page, let me see if you're active, like your customers probably like took some photos or videos of how they are using your products, and like I said, you can use that as your customer testimonials to create some section with it. Yeah, you have some like stories right here. And yeah, as we can see, like this image right here can be easily used as UGC content for your like those sections that I'm talking about, and not only just mentioned once in the customer like stories in your Instagram, but also it can be used for boosting the trust and experience in your store. And after this ambassador section, like I said, it will have like this newsletter, like email marketing and all that stuff. And after this section, it will have like this more reviews, and after this reviews, it will have like some Instagram social proof. Like I showed in the previous video, it will have this section in the footer. So we want to customer to not have any objection in their mind when they are going to purchase some products. So we will show them these sections right here. Or instead of this section right here that I most of the time will show through my videos, we will have some trusted blocks right here in the footer, and that's pretty much it. And if we want, we can click on it, but now it's not clickable because I made them not clickable, but it will be clickable, and it will go to some pages that it will like make customer understand what we are exactly talking about. If we say like 24/7 support, they can immediately see the icon of the chat, like chat with the support. And if they click on this like trusted block right here, the chat menu, it will open to like talk to the support and all that stuff. So let's get forward with it. Like we take it too much time also in this video, just going through the landing page, homepage of this store, but let's go to the collection page. Okay, to the collection page, as we can see immediately, I will remove this photo. And why? Because we are looking above the fold on the desktop. Also for the mobiles, that also is the issue. I don't know how it will look this on the mobile, but we will check it in the another videos that will come when we also go through the mobile of the store, because most of the customers comes through mobile. Also, like I said, we will remove this photo right here because we want to show immediately the products that we are selling and not this image that means simply nothing. We know that is for men's because we click for men's. It will say also in the collection title that is for men's. We will have little description right here. It can be also be much bigger right here because it's using too much space. We can like give them more width. We can stretch that out a little bit just to see immediately the product, so we can see that we can sort it by brands, by dietary requirements. That's great. And I can see immediately that every like filter that we have here, we can simply click it and sort it by it, and that's good. But also I don't see like sorting by price, sorting by best sellings and or something like that. Yeah, I see the badges right here, bestseller, and I fully support that, but also I don't see sort by button right here that I will add if I change this collection page. So removing this photo right here, give more stretch to this text right here so I can immediately see the products and not too much white space between them. And with this text, so I cannot see immediately the products, as you can see above the fold. And also adding the sort by button, and it will immediately sort it by best selling products. Okay, let's go to the product page and let's move on forward a bit, because we are in 22 minutes of this video and we want to make sure everything is covered. Like, let's see. As we can see now in your product page, also above the fold is the problem. I don't see immediately add to cart, and I need to scroll to see add to cart. That needs to be changed. If you want to show the benefits of the products, use like check marks. Like here, this description can have like some learn more. When we click on it, it will scroll down to that description. Like you see here, like you had like good description right here. You have good sections like what is the nutrients, what is the everything, reviews, FAQs. That's good to have on your product. Nutrients information, directions, and also I will add one more tab right here, and that is for description, because we don't want to show everything right here. We just want to show most key selling points, and that is this energy, testosterone level, bone health, and that will be with the check marks right here. And this will have like small text right here, and it will have like learn more, and when I click on it, it will scroll down to description box, like immediately check, so I can read more through it. And this also needs to be a little bit nicer to look at it and to read it, and not like this, like just squished and it one place. I don't know how to say that properly, but you get it what I mean, hopefully. And yeah, that's pretty much it about your product page. I don't see immediately add to cart. I will also add product subscription because I don't see that you are having here, and you are telling me in the product page that you have free UK delivery, but you are not saying that in the announcement bar, but that I'm like I said when I start recording this video. Okay, you have product details right here. Instead of that tab right here, probably when I click learn more, it will scroll me down immediately to this product details, and it will be open, and I can see it like this, add to cart and some product details, and it will be right here like this. And that's good to have. Like there is not too much stuff that can be changed on your product page. It's good like to see this. like your reviews is breaking, but I think that can be fixed easily. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, okay, now it's fixed. Let me see. Okay, it's fixed. I love that you have FAQs, directions, nutritional information, all that stuff that you want to like see everything to the customer, because I know most of the time that when I am looking to buy some products on the internet, most of the time I don't find any information about that product, and I don't like that. I like to be informed like 100% about that product. And also I don't see how I can leave the review, like you don't have like some integrated button for leaving the review to your product, just only to the product, but you have only this trust pilot, and that's also the thing that I will add to this store. And probably I will remove this and just only to have this section, and also this people also bought or frequently bought together section, something like that. But this section right here, it's not something that I will bother you with. If you see that with your heat maps that user is reading this section, then I will leave it, but for now I will just remove it, only have this and this, like this three section, and also reviews that can be like changed right here, so I can leave the review for the only for this product immediately right here, and also that review can be also published on Trustpilot or something like that. But I don't see any button to leave the review for the product or any reviews exactly specifically for these products. And yeah, like I said, that's pretty much it. I will use, like I said, some section people also bought, like you see here, but also I will have something here like frequently bought together section to recommend also some other products that you have into your store that people can easily add to cart immediately with along this product right here. Let me see what happens if I click on reviews. Okay, I get scroll down to this Trustpilot, but like I said, there is not reviews to as exactly specifically for this product. Okay, you have like some trusting blocks like right here, but that is only for the product page, and like I said, in the landing page you will want also to have something on the landing page, some trusted blocks. Let me see how your cart is doing, like when I add this product to the cart, and how that process looks like. Okay, like I saw here, you have like one-time subscription and subscribe to the product, but for some reason that's disappeared and I don't know why. So please fix that, because it's important to have like subscription based products like you have like right here that can be used for this product, that can increase your lifetime value with the customer and your average order value with the customer. So please fix this like subscription products. I don't know why it's not showing, maybe because my ad blocker is blocking that. Yeah, okay, now I'm seeing the product selection that I didn't see before. So yeah, something is like off here, and please find a way to fix that to work on all browsers and not just only for Chrome, like Google Chrome. I'm using Brave. I'm not the fan of strictly Chrome browser. Okay, let's add this to the cart to see how this also looks like. Okay, yeah, looking great. Your basket free UK delivery, Trustpilot. Okay, that's looking great. Also, I wanted to mention that you can add like some cart upsell, but as I can see here, you have that, and that's great. Basically, I will not change anything right here. Let's see your checkout and we will finish with the video. It's almost 30 minutes long. Okay, the checkout is, as I can see, it's Shopify have like new checkout system that is one-time pager, like one page checkout, and I see that you are not using that, and I will suggest you to switch just only on the one page checkout, so the customer can fill up every information immediately on the page and just pay it, and that's pretty much it. I will strongly suggest you to switch on that one page checkout, and that's pretty much it. The checkout page is great. As I can see, you are not on Shopify Plus plan, maybe you're on Shopify Advance. If you are a Shopify Plus, you can also have like some upsells in the checkout and customize the checkout background and all that stuff. So that will be pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you like it, and I hope these videos will get better and better over the time. I'm looking forward for any feedback in the comments to improve my videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again guys for watching these videos, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.